welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's Miss Sumi. Today I have created this summer colorful makeup. If you guys like it, then please do watch till end. 31 degrees Celsius and it's really hot today in Butwal. That's why let me remove all of my face dirt with help of wet tissue. Let's start our makeup with skincare. Let's put on some toner. I'm using rose water, gulab gel. Let's just tap that cotton pad on the face. Pick up your favorite moisturizer and put on that same cotton pad which we used for toner, and let's gently put all that moisturizer on face. After moisturizer we will go for sunblock because this is day makeup. I'm using sunblock of Aroma Magic, which is one of my favorite products. The sunblock, let's put on some primer for long lasting makeup and to protect our skin pores. I like doing my eye makeup at first, then my face makeup, because all of that eyeshadow falls and my face will look untidy and I have to remove all of that and I have to do all over again. That's why yes, I'm starting my makeup with eye makeup. I just put my eye primer and blend it all over my eye, and we'll just tap that out with a small beauty blender which I got from Miniso Nepal. Today I'm in mood to play with little bright color for my eye. That's why I picked color green. At first we will tap our eyeshadow all over the eyelid and we'll blend that out with same brush. It's looking weird, and let's pick up some clean brush and blend that corner of that eyeshadow to give that neat and clean look. We will do blending but not over blending because my teacher have taught me not to do so. If we do over blending, then all the pigment of eyeshadow will be gone. Put your concealer on the eyelid on the middle part and look downwards and upwards, and you will find the perfect line where you have to do cut from. So we are going to do hollow eye makeup. That's why let's fill that middle part with concealer. We'll put eyeshadow on the side part of that eye. To that I will just put white eyeshadow on the middle part of that hollow eye, and we'll put some glitter, silver glitter, shimmery glitter to give shine on that part, just to make more highlight. I'm almost done doing my eye makeup. Bring my fallen eyeshadow dust with the help of wet wipes. You can even use concealer, but I prefer using wet wipes because it won't mess up like concealer does. So yes, after this we will clean that concealer brush and we will begin to do our eyebrow. I really have bad eyebrow which is really thick on the side of edge, and which I don't like, so I have to work really hard for my eyebrow. Let's put on some concealer to give a clean look, and after this we will put the concealer on the lower part of my eyebrow to give my eyeshadow and eyebrow clean look. After that I'm blending my middle part of my eyebrow because concealer was too much, so I bend that out. After that I'll pick some clean brush and will blend that concealer of lower part of eyebrow. This is how I create my eyeshadow neat and clean. After concealer we will go with our face makeup. We'll begin it with foundation. For foundation I'm using Milani foundation. I use my beauty blender again after my makeup blending brush because I don't want my makeup to look cakey. I know this blending process is way too long, but I want to show you guys each and every detail. It's time for contouring. Let's do contouring and give some shape to this round face. Now it is time for blending. Let's blend our contour with the help of blending brush. So yes, doing makeup in this weather, in this temperature is really hard for me. Only people who live in Butwal can understand my feeling. So now I'm putting my concealer. I'm sorry for my background noise. My kitty is too loud. Blending my concealer with the help of my beauty sponge beauty blender. Always do liquid contouring at first and then do your concealer after that, because putting on contour after concealer is really bad idea. I already did baking under my eye and now I'm putting some bronzer to give shade on my face. It's time for nose contour to make my nose more elongate, nice and beautiful. Of course, blusher is must after bronzer. At first I put nude lipstick on my lips and again I changed my lipstick color and I completely forgot to record it. I'm really sorry guys. Putting my highlighter because I really need to pop out. After putting highlighter all over my face, now I'm going for blush on my lips. I want my lips to look glossy and beautiful. After putting my eyelashes, I have put my eyeliner on the upper part of my lashes because my glue was coming up, and I'm done. Guys, that's all for today. I hope you like it. If yes, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do it. Stay safe, lots of love. See you guys in the next video.